Alright guys, we are back in New York. It's been like 2 months of surf trips. We're back. Today's a day where I could surf for like 2 hours or something, but I got a lot of stuff I gotta do. I purposely didn't bring my boots or gloves, so I knew if I was gonna jump in, I'd only be for like a second. But yeah, I think I gotta do it. Let's get out there. It's so cold. I thought I was just gonna be a champion after like spending 2 months in Iceland, and I'm gonna go no booties, no gloves. It's April here in New York, which is still pretty cold. So Christina's gonna film for a few on my phone. I'm gonna try to get 3 waves, but I don't even know if I'll be able to do that. So come with us and see what happens.
We've got a large coffee. The sun's coming out. And I almost just missed a wave, so I didn't even take it. Woo! Woo!
Yeah, after like 2 months of surfing in Iceland, I can go and surf in April in New York with no boots or gloves. Definitely wasn't fun, like the sensation on my feet, but that Arctic and those Arctic surf trips toughen you up. So stoked to get a few waves, keep the mechanics going. We got a lot to do today. So as always, we will see you on the next swell. Big thing we had to do today was, after 3 surf trips, my boards are absolutely destroyed. It was a total of like 36 days of surfing or something. I really wanted to bring this one to Iceland round 2, and then I would have brought the mini Simmons, but on the way home from Morocco, I got this ding right here. Pretty gnarly, like it's in the tail. It's like a little bit leaking a little bit of water, but I didn't want to push it because I like this board a lot. I want to be able to fix it, keep riding it. So I was like, I'm not even gonna bring it. And then this thing also got dinged in Morocco up at Anchor Point. Deck got messed up. I sun cured it, and then I also sun cured this because I had 2 days in between Iceland and Morocco, and I ripped the sun cure out because I just didn't do a good job. And yeah, we're at Nature Shapes right now, so they'll be able to fix this one up. I'm gonna leave the deck as is. And then pretty crazy, I think this was a transport ding. Saddest ding out there. I wasn't even surfing it, but I dunged this one right here when I was on my like surf and ski road trip in New Hampshire way back in February. Technically 4 surf trips. And I just put a piece of duct tape over it in Iceland because I need something to ride. But yeah, this one survived. And yeah, basically my whole quiver is here at Nature Shapes.
Oh. Gonna give him a little extra work to do.
Yeah. So yeah, if you guys live on Long Island, Nature Shapes, like this awesome ding repairs. Like even this one in the tail, I feel super comfortable giving it to them just because they always do such a good job. We got Edgar here, we got Brian, we got Mike, so super fired up. I'm sad to see these boards go because I'm not gonna be able to surf them for a little bit, but on the next swell we'll be ready and we'll have our equipment back.